Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're a vegetarian, paneer is most probably the only option you have most of the time. So I have a few vegetarians in my house and they are always looking for paneer recipes. So here's a new one. The ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. So if you take some strips of paneer and marinate it with red chili, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, oil and salt and leave it for 10 minutes. Fry them in a medium-high cast iron pan until they are golden brown. Make sure it's cast iron. Then in the same pan add some cumin seeds, some finely chopped onions and saute it well. Add in some ginger juliennes and slit green chilies, followed by some thinly sliced tomatoes and cook them till they are soft. Then add in some ginger garlic paste. I'm using store-bought ginger garlic paste here. Mix that in as well. And once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste disappears, add in the masala powders, that's coriander, cumin, turmeric and red chili powder. Now cook all these masalas along with the tomato until everything is soft. Then add in juliennes of capsicum. You can use multiple colors as well, red and yellow peppers as well to make it interesting. Now cook the capsicum until that is soft. Once the capsicums are soft, we'll add in some Kasuri methi, which we'll crush with our fingers. Toss everything once. And then add in the fried paneer to this mixture. Now we'll coat the masala on the paneer. Mix it well and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you do this very gently so that the paneer doesn't break. Once the paneer is coated nicely, we'll add in salt to taste. Mix it once again. And lastly, add in some lime juice and mix it once more to make paneer dish, which is called paneer khurchan. So make sure you use a cast iron pan for this dish to make it interesting, and do leave a comment once you try this. I'll see you next time.